Hello everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will see how you can create robots.txt file for your website for free and in just less than minutes, right? So just let's first create a robots.txt. So the first thing which we have to pass is our sitemap here, right? So our sitemap will be codehunger.in/sitemap.xml. So we'll paste our link here, sitemap link, and here you can allow or disallow the user agent. Let's suppose if I have allow all the user agents, right, and when we click on update file it will show in this manner, right? Let's suppose we are not making this as of now a bit complex. Let's put this robots.txt file will be a very simpler way. So just create in this manner, download the file, right, and you can just put this in your public folder of your website, and from there you can use it. For example, if you see my website robots.txt, it will looks like in this manner, robots.txt. So this is mine, robots.txt. Okay, so if you see that what the user agent will works, for example, let's click one more directive, disallow, and if you want that Google bot doesn't search your pages on the search engine, then you can add this one and then click here as an update, and it will automatically shown as here. So you can manage this in this manner, like as many you can want, right? You can manage the directory or file as well, that your which file you don't want to crawl by the Google and everything. So now we will talk about that what will be the benefit of using robots.txt file. So basically, if you see, the robots.txt file is very essential for the SEO purpose, because when you pass the robots.txt file, and then only a search engine can crawl that what they can crawl from the particular website and what they won't have to crawl from the particular website. So this is the main reason for using robots.txt file for every website, which is very essential, right? I hope you have now clear and get a basic idea for the robots.txt file, how you can create one for your website, or like what are the benefit of it. Okay. So this is all about the robots.txt. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.